From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your evening weather update.
Good evening, folks. Pretty decent day today, but as we head through the next 24 hours, I think it's a different story. Currently across the area, mostly cloudy with some patchy areas of sun. Really not that bad of a day, to be honest with you. Just kind of widespread, that cloud coverage, but we still got up to the 80s across the area. Warm, moist air coming out of the south there into the Tennessee Valley. Notice this, though, start cooling off just a little bit. We're calling near 60 for lows tonight. Tomorrow looks to get a little more unsettled. Here's exactly what I'm talking about. That warm, moist air setting the stage for some scattered variety storms as we head through tomorrow afternoon. I think in general we'll mostly stay dry there. This is really more scattered in nature, but the main threat of storms comes in the evening time. Watch this sagging line of storms coming from the north to the south through the Tennessee Valley through about 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock tomorrow. Now, don't take this placement at face value. This could be over here, or it could be further west, it could be further east. Point being, the environment is favorable, and models indicate the chance for maybe a few scattered severe thunderstorm warnings tomorrow, especially in southern middle Tennessee. Now, accordingly, the Storm Prediction Center has issued a level 1 out of 5 risk for that. We'll discuss that more in a few moments, but it looks like we dry out a little bit through Monday morning, and we're right back to those kind of garden variety pop-up storms. It looks like we're going to keep that pattern over the next several days. Now, a level 1 out of 5 risk, I want to show you that it looks like all of our southern middle Tennessee counties are in that level 1 out of 5. Limestone, Lauderdale, you're also in that 1 out of 5. And portions of Lawrence and Morgan in Alabama, as well as Colbert, Franklin County, you're the only one excluded from that level 1 out of 5 risk. Does not necessarily mean you won't absolutely see a severe thunderstorm warning or two pop up tomorrow, but it just means the greater threat is in southern middle Tennessee. I'm not thinking this is going to be a big tornado outbreak or anything like that, but I think the main threat with this big line of storms is damaging winds, perhaps in excess of 60 miles an hour, and frequent lightning as well. So you want to be careful if the storm system does manifest, as some models indicate. We'll keep an eye on that. Again, Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, and Sunday night. I'd say after about 3 o'clock Sunday, keep with us, and we'll keep you updated as to how that system evolves. So let's take a look at some models in the big picture here. Over the next few days as we begin our work, we can see the system off to the north. It ejects a little bit of energy through the Tennessee Valley. That's what's providing the energy just to get these little scattered storms popping up through the next several days. And of course, we have that warm, moist air coming out of the Gulf, providing ample moisture for that. So it is kind of summer-like in that respect. Not necessarily temperature-wise, but in terms of the precipitation chances and the patterns, how they kind of develop across the area, kind of reminds me of that, to be honest with you. So tonight, lows near 60. We're going to stay dry, a little bit cloudy, a little bit humid out there. Not too bad. Maybe some bugs coming out there. Tomorrow, warming up pretty nicely, mid-80s across the area as peak heating sets in. And of course, that's going to set the stage for the possibility of those storms through the afternoon and evening. But if you can get between those storms and maybe run your errands through tomorrow, not that bad of a day. We'll call it 86 in Decatur, 85 in the Shoals, 83 in Lawrenceburg. Up there at Columbia, you're at 84 degrees for your high tomorrow. It looks like we're going to be keeping those 80s. Again, I don't think that's how the pattern is summer-like. I think this is. Notice all that rain through the week. I don't think any one day is going to be a washout or anything like that, but I'm using summer as kind of a comparison here because we get these pop-up storms, which might be on the stronger side, but not necessarily something significant. But you get those pop-up thunderstorms day after day. That's kind of what this reminds me of here. I think that's what we're looking for over the next week or so. Thanks for watching this forecast update, and God bless.